If you're in the market for a new full tower PC case, then you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you the best full tower cases on the market and why they might be perfect for you. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the best full tower PC cases on the market. Now, if you're in the market for a new case or just curious about what's out there, then this video is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get started. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 6. Thermaltake View 51 Full Tower Gaming Computer Case. The Thermaltake View 51 Snow Motherboard Sync RGB ATX Full Tower Gaming Computer Case is a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance gaming PC. The case comes with two 200mm 5V motherboard Sync RGB fans, which provide excellent cooling and lighting for your system. Additionally, the case features a built-in dual-mode 5V RGB switchboard, which allows you to control the lighting in 27 LED modes via I/O port button or via 5V RGB Sync Motherboard RGB software. The case also features a patented rotational PCI E8 slots design, which allows you to display your graphic cards vertically or horizontally. Additionally, the case has smart space design at the right side of the case, which provides a neat area for PSU placement and cable management. Finally, the case supports mini ITX, micro ATX, ATX, and eATX motherboards, and has a max CPU cooler height of 175 mm, a max VGA's length of 300 mm with reservoir or 440 mm without reservoir, and a max PSU length of 200 mm. Number 5. Cougar Master Cosmos C700P Black Edition eATX Full Tower with Curved Tempered Glass. The Cougar Master Cosmos C700P Black Edition eATX Full Tower is an upgraded version of the original Cosmos C700P. Improvements include the PSU shroud, flat radiator brackets, fine mesh panels, cable cover system, and an extra rear panel. The chassis is matte black and offers a highly versatile layout that supports a conventional, chimney inverse layout. The unique frame design supports a conventional, chimney inverse layout, or a fully customized layout. The motherboard tray is also removable for installation outside of the chassis. Extensive cable cover system. The three included covers can be placed on either the M port or on the midplate, with the ability to mount SSD storage or a reservoir. Diverse liquid cooling support. A flat radiator bracket design offers more versatility for liquid cooling with the ability to be mounted on the top, front, or bottom of the frame. The two included brackets can each support a 420 mm radiator. Curved tempered glass side panel. A lightly tinted tempered glass side panel with two curved edges offer a wide view of the system build. The Cougar Master Cosmos C700P Black Edition eATX Full Tower is an upgraded version of the original Cosmos C700P. Improvements include the PSU shroud, flat radiator brackets, fine mesh panels, cable cover system, and an extra rear panel. The chassis is matte black and offers a highly versatile layout that supports a conventional, chimney inverse layout, or a fully customized layout. The motherboard tray is also removable for installation outside of the chassis. Number 4. Thermaltake View 71 Four-Sided Tempered Glass Vertical GPU Modular SPCC eATX Gaming Full Tower Computer Case. The Thermaltake View 71 Four-Sided Tempered Glass Vertical GPU Modular SPCC eATX Gaming Full Tower Computer Case is a beautifully designed case that offers great features and functionality. It has a four-sided 5 mm thick tempered glass panels with swing door windows, which offer a great view of your components. The vertical radiator viewing with floating GPU mounting is also a great feature. The AIO/DIY liquid cooling capable is also a great feature. The case also comes with two pre-installed 140 mm blue ring fans, which offer great cooling performance. The case is also compatible with various motherboard form factors including eATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX. Overall, the Thermaltake View 71 is a great case for those who are looking for a great way to show off their components. Number 3. Be Quiet. Dark-Base PRO 900 Black Rev 2 Full Tower PC Case. The Be Quiet. Dark-Base PRO 900 Black Rev 2 is a full tower ATX case that comes with 3 pre-installed Silent Wings 3 PWM fans, a stepless dual rail fan controller, and tempered glass side panel. The case is ready for radiators up to 420 mm and has a clean interior thanks to the PSU shroud and HDD slot covers. The Dark Base Pro 900 is also equipped with eye-catching RGB LED illumination. Lastly, this case is compatible with EATX/XL-ADX/ADX/M-ADX/Mini ITX motherboards. The Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 is the flagship of the Dark Base series and offers a completely new dimension in case modding. This case has been designed from the ground up for enthusiasts and gamers looking to build a high-end system. The motherboard tray is equipped with an innovative cable management system, which allows users to run cables behind the motherboard tray and out through small holes in the back of the case. This feature ensures that there are no visible cables inside or outside of your PC. Number 2. Corsair IQ7000X RGB Full Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair IQ7000X RGB Full Tower ATX PC case is a beautiful way to showcase your system. 3 tempered glass panels provide a full view of your components, while clever cable management and a spacious interior make it easy to build and cool your system. The included Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple to route major cables through a single hidden channel. It's simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access hinge door and a roomy 30 mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 4 140 mm Corsair SP RGB Elite PWM fans with 8 individually addressable RGB LED per fan, utilizing air guide technology to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. An included Corsair IQ Commander Core XT controller, Corsair IQ software, and PWM fan repeater enables smart RGB and fan speed control out of the box. A massive interior lets you fit up to 12x120 mm or 7x140 mm cooling. Corsair IQ software and PWM fan repeater enables smart RGB and fan speed control out of the box. A massive interior lets you fit up to 12x120 mm or 7x140 mm cooling fans, or install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360 mm or 2x simultaneous 420 mm for extreme cooling. A massive interior lets you fit up to 12x120 mm or 7x140 mm cooling fans, or install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360 mm or 2x simultaneous 420 mm for extreme cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 4x120 mm fans or up to a 420 mm radiator, opening up a new world of cooling options. Put the spotlight on your graphics card with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud, big enough for today's most powerful graphics cards. Number 1. Cougar Panzer Evo RGB Black ATX Full Tower RGB LED Gaming Case. The Cougar Panzer Evo RGB is the perfect PC case for gamers and enthusiasts who want the best of everything. With 4 massive tempered glass covers and 4 powerful RGB fans, this case has it all. The included fan controller lets you control the power of each fan's 18 LED, so you can create a truly magical atmosphere in your PC. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line case that has everything you need, the Cougar Panzer Evo RGB is the one for you. The Cougar Panzer Evo RGB Black ATX Full Tower RGB LED Gaming Case is the perfect case for gamers and PC builders who want a stylish and well-ventilated case with plenty of features. The 4 massive tempered glass covers provide a clear view of your components, while the 4 powerful RGB fans create an exceptional atmosphere. The included fan controller lets you control all the power of each fan's 18 LED, and you can enjoy more than 100 different dynamic RGB lighting effects in one of the most beautiful cases ever created.